Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Flip's sake, this is a big moment in my life. I'm packed to the gills. And leaving my mum and dad's house for the last time. So this is really me and my immediate life over to start a new life, which I attempted to do a couple of years ago, as a lot of you will know. So, big day. Good weather to be leaving Northern Ireland in. It's cold and it's raining. Alright, so I don't know how much filming I'm going to do along the journey. I'll do bits and pieces, but I never know. I could make 2 or 3 videos, or maybe just make one, but we'll see how things go. And if anything interesting happens, I'll let you know. Alright, so for the last time in Northern Ireland, onward and upward. Excited! So I have to drive to Rosslare, which is 3.5 hours, and my flight isn't tonight at 9, and I don't even know what time it is. I think it's about 2. And I had a bit of a mishap with one. I just stuck too much in the boot and broke one of my straps that's holding that on. So I'm going to Halfords and I'm going to buy a ratchet strap, if anyone knows what that is, just for a wee bit of extra security. And get a KFC, spend all my English money, which isn't very much, and then Dublin, Rosslare, and I'm just going to take my time, as I'm going to do in the whole journey, I think. Fantastic. That's my car. So Halfords for...
Let me try to get it.
So Halfords for an extra security strap for the boot bag. Let's see if they have something. So a bit of added security. But one more. Nothing better. That isn't going anywhere.
PM.
I've never been parked on the outside of a ferry before, and I'm hoping that's a good thing with regard to getting out to see the dogs. It's definitely good for them to be able to look around themselves. Yeah. Yeah, well pleased with this.
Well,
this is good. Where do you see my room? Right, so I have a wee story for you. You know, I'm always talking about being lucky. So my ferry was meant to be on Monday night. I can't remember, did I mention in any other video that it was cancelled, but they said the sailing had been taken off and there were no sailings for a few days. And I said, oh, you can't do that on me. I'm moving to Spain, I've got my dogs, I don't have nowhere to live. And the girl came back and she says, are you happy to leave your dogs in the car? I said, yes, they usually do anyway. Because I usually don't take a cabin, but I was taking a cabin. So she said, that's okay, I'll book you into the captain's suite. Okay? Watch this. I'm on a ferry. Sweeties. I am very lucky, like, there's no doubt about it. I've had a hard time and a hard 10 months and all that stuff, but at the end of the day I keep having me lucky strokes. So there you go. I'm not going to bore you with the whole journey. I might show you a go out whenever we're leaving port and I get a free dinner and a free Irish breakfast in the morning. So fantastic. Right, so I thought I would come out. I'm going to have an early night tonight. Didn't sleep much last night. I'm going back to my fancy room. But I thought I would come out and just say goodbye. Goodbye to Ireland. I don't even know if you're able to see it now. It's starting to get a bit dark. Who knows when I'll be back. Now, this is something I don't usually do, but I want to thank a few people. I've had a lot of best wishes from lots of subscribers, lots of people who watch the channel. I want to thank them so much for all the nice things that they've said. I want to thank especially Lawrence and Nico for offering me their apartments for a period of time, which is just amazing. I also want to thank some friends, Michelle, Alison, Jimmy, Denise, Alan, Mags, my sister Karen, who have all contacted me today and wished me good luck and all, and it's very nice. So just thought I'd put that wee bit in. Okay, thank you everybody.
The next morning.
Now, I don't usually eat breakfast, but looks very nice. So 9:30, had my breakfast, fed the dogs. Another 5.5 hours to go, don't get there to 3. So I think I'll just go up to the room and watch TV. I have to say, second time I've been out this morning. And I don't know if it's the boat or the sea, but it smells like a cow shed. Cow manure every time you come outside. Hope that's not coming from the sea. I'm just wondering what the weather is like in Shoreburg. So we left last night at 9 and it's just about as just cool, not cold, cool as it was.
Later.
France ahoy. Still cold, raining. And it still smells like cow shed. Must be the sea. No, could be the boat. Couldn't be the boat. I can see ferries in Shoreburg, so very little time to go. Right, so off the ferry. But I'm going to do a bigger drive than I normally do. I'm going to go halfway through France today. I'm going to an F1 hotel, and I can't pronounce the place. So 6 hours 38 minutes. I don't normally do that size of a drive, but I've just decided I'm going to go for it and get there this evening. Haven't booked it yet. I'll have to book it now actually before I move. Alright. Yeah, in France. Journey started. And it's Wednesday at 4 p.m. It's miserable and freezing cold. Absolutely freezing cold outside. Wasn't expecting this. Turns out it's Bank Holiday Friday. Most of the hotels are full, and the only one I'm getting is only 150 kilometers down the road. That'll do. That's okay. Guys, I'm in France. I'm going to leave it off there. Super excited. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a comment. Subscribe if you like the channel. But till next time, bye for now.